Do you want to know how to get access to profile colors on Discord? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. So launch the Discord or open Discord on the web browser. It works either way. Now click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner, which is the setting, and then go to the profiles tab in the left side menu. Make sure you are in the user profile section on the profile page and click on the color icon under the banner color option. Now pick the color from the palette or use the hex code field to enter the color. You can just have fun with it while changing the color, and once you are done, click on the save changes. And there you go, the banner above your avatar will change to the color you have selected. Want to find out how to do all of this on your phone? Leave a comment down below and we'll make the video for you. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.